Hello to everybody at the Academy Gainsborough. I want to say thanks to the Academy for allowing me to join you all today for a presentation on COOF. My name's Elle and I'm going to be explaining what COOF is, how you can access it and show you some of the key features. At COOF we recognise that this year has brought change and challenges already, and that might be about changes in routines, missing friends, or perhaps concerns about options and exams this year. And of course, there might also be other things that are causing you stress, worry, or anxiety. And that's why we feel it's really important for all of you to have access to COOF. So where do you go when you need to talk to somebody? Now, for me, that might be a trusted friend, somebody in my family that I trust, and for you, perhaps somebody within the school that you trust. And that's great. And I'd encourage you to consider, relying on your network. But at COOF we recognise that there can be times when those people might be part of the problem, or they just don't have the right skills and knowledge to be able to help you resolve that problem. And so that's when a service like COOF can really come in for you. So what is COOF? COOF is a free, safe and anonymous digital mental wellbeing service. You can find us at www.coof.com. You don't need a referral for a GP or a professional. You just need to be aware that we are there. The great things about COOF is that yes, it's free, and yes, it's really, really safe. But most importantly, it's anonymous, and that means that it gives you this platform and this space to be able to talk about whatever it is you want to talk about, to be able to express yourself without any fear of judgment. I'm going to show you a video now that will hopefully give you a bit more of a flavour about the COOF service.
Welcome to COOF, a free, safe and anonymous place for young people to find online support and counselling. There's a bunch of features and tools to support you if you're looking for advice or simply aren't feeling your best. COF Magazine, a place full of opinions, creative pieces and personal experiences written by young people. Express yourself and help others along the way. Try writing a short story, an informative article, or write about your own interests and experiences. You'd be surprised how good it can feel to contribute, and you'll be helping others too. COOF discussion boards. Here you can start or join a conversation on all sorts of things, from anxiety and relationship advice to tips for relaxing after a stressful day. COOF goals. This useful tool can help you set smart personal goals and track the progress you make towards achieving them. COOF journal. Like a personal diary, your COOF journal will help you track how your mood changes as a result of things that happen throughout the week. This can help you identify behaviours or events that tend to make you feel good, as well as those that make you feel less positive. And COOF chat and messenger, for when you want to talk to COOF's friendly online team about anything that might be bothering you. At COOF, there's always somebody who will listen and understand.
Okay, so COOF offers a host of different ways to engage on the platform, but you can also talk one-to-one with one of our counselling team. And the usual things that young people come to COOF to get support around are the things that are flashing up on the screen right now. But my main message to you is that you can talk to us about absolutely anything. Nothing is too small or too silly to, come to us and get support around. And likewise, nothing is, too big. And so it could be that you're just having a bit of a rubbish day. It could be that you're feeling sad or angry or anxious or worried or uncertain. It could be that you're having problems with your relationships with friends or family. It could be about body image, or it could be, about grief and loss, right through to crisis point when you're feeling like, actually, I'm not coping here at all anymore. So you can come to us at COOF to access support about absolutely anything. And we would really encourage you to do that as soon as things start to go wrong. We'll be there to be able to support you. So How do I access this service? You need to go to www.coof.com, and this is the landing page. You'll find the video about COOF, but this is where you can join. It's just a few steps to be able to sign up. So you need to let us know where you live, the area you live in, and then the sub-location if you know it, when you were born, so just the year and the month of your birth, and then which best describes you in terms of your gender and your ethnicity. And then most importantly, you need to pick a username that makes you completely anonymous. And so not a game tag, not a nickname, not your real name, just something random really. And then you need to pick a password, and the password has to be something memorable, because we don't take your email, so we can't help you reset your password. So you need to be able to remember that. And that's it. You then have access to COOF as and when you need it. So the platform is there 24/7. You know, if you've got an internet enabled device, you can access the platform whenever you want it. The counselling team are there every single day, and they're there from 12 until 10, Monday to Friday, and then 6 until 10 at the weekends. So, you know, outside of your school hours, at the weekends, across holidays, you've got access to this service when you need it. I'm just going to show you, if you go to COOF and you want to talk to one of our team, there are 2 ways that you can do that, and this video is going to explain that.
There are 2 ways you can talk privately to someone from the COOF team: messaging and chat. Chat is a one-to-one instant messaging conversation with a COOF team member. Anyone can request a chat whenever they'd like one-to-one support from the COOF team. Chat sessions are available up to once a week for up to an hour. Chat is available every day of the year. Try to request a chat from somewhere you feel comfortable with good internet connection. When you have time to talk, simply click the Request a Chat button when the COOF team are online and you'll enter the queue. Chat can get busy some evenings, but you can browse the magazine and discussion boards while you wait. When someone from the team becomes available, you'll see a notification pop up, then have 5 minutes to accept, get ready and start your chat. 95% of COOF users find it really helpful chatting to someone from the COOF team, so try it yourself.
Okay, so this is a quote from a young person, and it says, COOF offers so much more than just speaking to a counsellor. The community is always online, and there are other young people that will be there to help you. You're never alone, don't be afraid to speak up. Now, COOF reaches over 80% of young people in the UK at the moment, and we are a growing service, so there are loads of young people using COOF. No matter what you've experienced or you're experiencing, there will be another COOF user who's using the platform who's gone through something similar. And it is so important that, you know, you have that chance to connect and to relate to others who have been through something similar to you. And the main thing is that no matter what you've gone through, you're not on your own. There will be someone else out there who understands and relates to that experience. So on the rest of the platform, we've got the COF Magazine. This is a great place to find content and articles. A lot of them are written by young people. Some of them are written by the team, so you can find, you know, people's stories in there, and also tips and strategies about how they've managed difficult experiences. But it also could be about, you know, talking about music or fashion or gaming. So a real range of content on there. And you can add to the magazine yourself, or you can comment on other people's articles. It's important to say that all of the content that goes on to COOF is moderated, so we make sure that we keep you safe. So there's nothing that isn't positive and supportive that goes onto the COOF site, and we also make sure that you're not revealing your identity. We've also got the COF Forums, which is a fantastic part of the site, and you've got two types of forums. You've got a live forum, and that happens once a week in the evenings from 7 till 9, and has some fantastic content on there. So it could be discussions, you know, around self-care, it could be discussions around gender identity, it could be a social takeover, it could be talking about victim crime. So loads of great content on there. And if you'd like to see something that's up for a live forum debate, then please let us know. You can just read through those forums, or you can participate, completely up to you. Again, fully moderated, so we keep it a really safe space. We've also got static discussion boards, and that's a space where you can add a thread or respond to someone else's thread, and people are talking about everything and anything on there. It might be about, you know, relationships, it might be about music, you know, it could be about science, it could be about the environment, it could be about sort of, you know, body image, loads and loads of different topics on there. Really great content and a fantastic safe space for you to be able to connect with others. The COF community is a really big part of COOF, and yes, we do offer that one-to-one text-based counselling, but the COF community is something that's a, you know, really fantastic part of COOF to get involved in. And as I said before, there will be somebody, you know, regardless of your background or where you're coming from, there will be somebody who, you know, you sort of really relate to on COOF, and you can sort of find that sort of that sense of shared experience, which can be really important. We've also got a new part of COOF, which is called the mini activities hub, and so you've got 18 activities that you can choose from, and they're really about creating an activity that will help you to boost your well-being or boost your resilience, and you can start to include these in your day-to-day routines. Because I think at the moment we're all struggling a little bit with our well-being, so just a place to go to be able to get some ideas about what you could maybe start doing to be able to help you feel better. You can read through other people's experiences of how they found these activities, and you can also share your activities on the forum page if you choose to do so. So lastly, everybody does need support sometimes, and if you do, we want you to know that COOF is here for you. It may be that you're okay today, and that's great, you know, I'm really happy about that, but you never know what can tip the balance, especially at the moment. So I would encourage you to go to COOF.com and familiarise yourself with the site so that you know you've got access to this service as and when you need it. Thanks so much for listening today.